A wild phoenix has appeared.
Yeah, you just follow me and then we'll go down.
Look, he's got his new panel. It's been wrapped. Oh, we just played footsie. No, I was thinking the same. If I fall, don't laugh.
I will, don't worry.
Oh, this was a mistake. Yeah, so we're going. Well, we're going. Pheonix is going for a photo shoot, and I've just plodded along for it. Oh, my ass is sticking out. God, these roads are a bit. This is the first time I've ever been down New Forest. We've already passed a couple of sites. There was like some big tower thing I saw, and it was up on the top of a hill. It looked amazing. I want to climb it. I really want to go up it. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is very nice. Not me. Don't point at me and say, yeah, that's my other half.
That's my other half.
Well, Pheonix cleaning his bike for a photo shoot. Look how pretty it looks now.
I don't suppose you've got a screwdriver on you? No, that's right. But just remember that when we get home, we'll get like a hot screwdriver.
Screwdriver? Got that one.
Oh, have you?
Yeah. It's one of these to take the camera off and that. Oh, is that for the hole for the fairing?
I was going to try and put a hole in you. I'll do that in a bit. I won't worry about that now. So it'll end up being me. Oh, shit! So I'll listen to you, Jordan. You tell me what you want, where you want it, and whatever else, and then.
Yep.
Also, free shout out. Check out Aspire Comps. Currently doing loads of different giveaways for cheap. Better than BOTB. I won't put that in. So they're currently down there getting a photo shoot of his bike. I don't know if you can see that too well because of how far back I am. And then I've just been cleaning mine. So I don't know whether he wants photos of mine or not. So I thought I'd clean it just in case. If not, no drama. It needed to clean anyway. Yeah, and look, we've now got the stickers on the front of the YouTube in the gold, and over the TikTok in the gold. The only thing that puts me off is the fact that the TikTok logo's there and the YouTube logo's there. I wanted them the same, but the text had been upside down. But yeah, if you're wondering where I got the stickers from, I'll leave a link in the description to the Etsy store. It's like London decals or something. They advertise it's for cars, but I went for the middle size, and this is the size I got sent. So yeah, I'll leave a link to that in the description, and then you can get your own custom stickers. So yeah, and there's another car coming up. This is supposed to be like an unused road, but there's been nothing but cars since. Well,
As I saw that lot rock up, I was thinking, fuck it out.
the tractor brigade turned up, and we're done at this spot now. So we're gonna head to another place for an urban shoot. And yeah, I'll leave the photographer. I'll leave his stuff in the description. Go check him out. He's already shown me some of the photos, and they look elite. They look so good, man. I can't wait till they're all edited and sent over, and I'll obviously be posting them on social media, so... Some nice Ford tractors. It's so pretty. Musical to my ears. Left and mine's saying left and straight. If you look right, up there, big tower. It's a big tower. Oh yeah. Too loud. Did you
get to the multi-story?
I
said you wait till we get to the multi-story.
Did you see that big tower?
Yeah.
Looks cool as fuck, doesn't it?
Fucking wicked.
Fuck me, that was a little bit of a squeaky bum moment there. I've got super view on, so that probably won't look as close as it actually was. Fucking hell. The thing is, he was looking at me and then just went anyway. Oh well, we didn't crash. Nobody crashed. We're still on the move. It's all good. Mistakes happen. I know a lot of people talk about, oh, they'd lose a mirror, they'd do this, they'd do that. Like, he didn't do it maliciously. Yeah, he was looking at me, but he probably already committed his feet to go. He probably one of them. We forgive and forget. I'm still alive at the end of the day. We're such big kids, man.
Huh?
We're such big kids. It's just really childish, isn't it? Fuck. Jump in front. Is his sat nav playing up or something?
Possibly.
Because mine's working. Is your sat nav playing up?
How could you tell?
Because mine's working if you just want to follow us.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, mine was telling me to turn left there, and we thought, oh, we'll follow you. Went straight on, then turned around and come back.
Mine was like, you've reached your destination on the straight road, and I was like,
Yeah, so it's literally, we go to this roundabout, take the 5th exit, so that way, and then first exit at roundabout, and then I don't know if you can see it, and then we're there. It's literally, we just...
We're like right close.
Yeah. Is this it? Yeah. To the top. Oh, it echoes in here. Yeah, there was that kind of monster in the middle of the thing. I thought someone's going to slip on that if we go back down. So I stopped and I went like this. So I stopped and I went to boot it out of the way, but I missed first time because of my short legs. So I'm sure they had a good giggle at my expense. So we've made it to the second location. And currently getting photos of Pheonix's bike. Being a photographer, just crouched down by the van. And I think we're going to get some of them both together. The baby and the dad. Yeah, it's quite a nice location, this. It's alright. Really nice. Yeah. We'll get some snaps and I guess I'll make my way home. Also as well, I'll leave his contact details down below, the lad who's taking the photos. He's already shown us some of them and they've come out amazing. So I can't wait to see when they're edited and stuff. If we can. Drop him a follow, so not support him at least, if you don't want photos of your bikes. Just recording the happy? Oh, I'm sweating. Trying to get a profile picture done. So what's the back of the bike? Fucking hell, it's hot. Alright, so straight. Might have been better to do it with the helmet off because I can't hear shit in this. Oh, that's good. Yeah. That is really good.
Do you want to do one and have a slight look to the side?
Yeah, but like, you know, that's the same angle to the back wheel.
And then head to the pin in the...
Yep. Where do you want me? Sort of head facing like right round, like shoulder looking left, or like just a sly?
To the left. Towards that.
The corner.
Yeah.
Say again. Can't see if. Problem is when you're looking left, I don't know if I'm veering like this. I was walking like a toddler. You know when you're looking somewhere else, like obviously when you're. when you're on your bike, where you look it goes. So I was a bit like trying to stay straight. Never sweat so much in my life. Oh, that's phenomenal, that.
Yeah, man.
That's great, thank you very much. So we're done with the photo shoot. I need to go home, spend some time with the missus and kids before going back to work. So yeah, it's been a good day, to be honest. Been a really good day, even though it's only like midday. So yeah, I can't wait for the photos. Cannot wait for them. Have a good one.
Fucking did this up.
See you in a bit.
Take it easy, ride safe.
You too. Right. We're just going to swap it over. So I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, it should be a good video. Cheers for watching.